Today in Minnesota, it is quite literally record-breaking heat. It is 97 degrees today, and boy, is it hot. But the carp are still eating in my backyard, and I'm gonna do my best to eliminate one more from this lake. All right. I think I'm just going to go left to right and go up my neighbor's dock. Hopefully he either doesn't see me or doesn't get mad at me, but Kent, if you're watching this, thank you for letting me use your dock. This is gonna be such a loud dock though. Oh! I got him. Oh yeah, there he is. Nice. I don't necessarily want to go in these weeds. I'm pretty sure this is all the way through his head. Come on, stinker.
Picture at the end.
Okay, look at them all.
Can I go over and try?
Yeah, you can try one after this one. I just want to get him out.
I don't think he's in there.
I'm already in. All right, any snapping turtles in the area, go away. God. There we go. This one was all the way through him. All the way through. Right in the freaking noodle. Wow. What another one. That was so quick. All right. Nice. This is a bigger one.
It is bigger.
This is a much bigger one. Okay. This could quite literally be a slaughter fest, Dad. This could be a slaughter fest.
I think he's scaring.
Here, okay, come on. I want you to take a picture. This one's way bigger. Here we go. Not even 3 minutes in. Shot this guy right away. I'm gonna give it over to my dad and give him a chance. They're all over here. Good luck, Dad. You got him. Let's see it, champ. There is one literally right in front. Oh my God, are you aiming for the clouds? Did you get him or no? Yeah, Dad, there's still some big ones over there.
I know.
I might go walk over there. They're still just so far away. Oh! That one is pissed. I got this one good. Come on, buddy. Come on, out of the weeds, please. I don't want to walk over there. I'm not gonna come out of there with both my Crocs. I see his tail. I think. Hold on, here it comes. Uh-oh. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know, the arrow went through him. It went 100% through him. Oh my gosh. That's why I couldn't get it out. The arrow went all the way through him. Wow. The arrow is, yeah, literally, I hit him right in the stomach and it went all the way through.
But still, if it pulled you part of those weeds, the line will cut. There. The hole and up. Yeah, so you don't cut your line. There you go. Now pull your line through.
Oh my. Hey, hey. Here we go. Look at guts and stuff spewing everywhere. No, I don't think so. I'm good. There you have it. Last one of the night. Shot him right through the stomach. He's bleeding everywhere, guts everywhere, but second one of the day. It was an awesome day. Sweet day. Thanks for watching. And wow. Catch you next time.